Hello guys, welcome to the Venom Traderz channel. Today we will see some tutorials about MT5. Let's move to the video. Okay, so here is our MT5 platform. On screen, as you can see, here are some options like File, Windows, Tools, Window, Help, etc. If you have account, you can go with that, or if you do not have account, so you can search here. Let I search example. I choose. So guys, we have our Onda server here. Click to the next button. If you have account, so you can go with it. You have to simply enter your account ID here and your account password here, and you have to select the server. It's probably the selected ones, or you do not have account, or you want to trade in demo account, you have to go with this option. After that, you can see the page here. It's you have to fill this information like first name, second name, date of birth, email, phone number, server, account type, deposit, and leverage. After all you fill, you have to click here and then click to the next. Boom! And your account is open. As you can see on the screen, I have the chart of XAUSD 15-minute time frame. You can see here, and you can see that here also. So let's see how to add chart on the screen. Firstly, we have to go view option, then click to this option, market watch, or the shortcut key is Ctrl M. After that, you can see we have some symbols like XAUSD, XAGUSD, UK oil, US oil, NG, AUD USD, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro USD, etc. If you want to add some symbols, simply you have to click here and write the symbol you like, and you can simply add the symbol here like BTC. So I have to click and press enter. So we have BTC USD. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, now we have to add chart on the screen. So simply we have to click symbols here. We have some symbols. Let's see, I want to add XAU USD chart. So we have to click here, right click. Then we have to go with this option, chart windows. When you click it, the chart will add to screen. Let's close the market watch. You can simply press Ctrl M. Here is the chart of XAUSD with 50-minute time frame. You can change the time frame from here like 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, etc. You can see the zoom in and zoom out with here. If we zoom out the chart, it will see like this. And the control button is, you can see here, plus or minus. We have to simply click minus to zoom out and plus to zoom in. Let's say we have to move chart from here to here. So we have to click this button here. We can see the chart is shift from here to here. We can shift chart here to here, from here to here very easily. And we can see the history. But you want to stick on the latest candle, you have to click this. So the chart move from here and stick to the latest candle you can see here. This is very helpful to watch market. Let's see, we have to trade on demo account or real account. So we have to go view button again. Here you can see we have option of toolbox. and the shortcut key is Ctrl C. We have to click on this. As you can see, our account is open. I have $999 in my demo account, so you can see here. You can trade very easily in MT5. We have a panel that can trade just one click. We can trade one click with this option. We have to select quantity here like 0.01 and we can ready to buy or sell in symbol. As you can see, we have XAUSD 15-minute time frame. We have XAUSD symbol. Let's see, I hope the chart will go up. So I have to click on buy button. You can see some disclaimer here. You simply have to click here and click OK. Now you're ready to trade. We have to click on buy button. As you can see, the buy trade is generated here. You can cut trade from here like this. The trade is closed and the profit is booked. You can see your trading history in this history option. As you can see, we have XAUSD buy trade. It exit and we have the generated profit is $0.25, 25 cent. You can see some details like when we buy it, when we take trade, which symbol is, which ticket is it, which type like buy or sell, the volume size, we take the 0.01 here, so we got 0.01 here also. We can see here 3316.01, the buy price where the trade is taken. We do not have TPSL, so here is the null value. And as you can see, here is the cut price. So we take on this, on cut on this price, and we take on this time and cut on this time. You can see some history here, and you can see your profit here with the specific ticket or specific trade. Here are some other options that we will talk in other videos. So this is very helpful, I guess. And as then we can make a sell trade also. You have to simply click on sell and we have our sell trade. You can set TPSL and other things to the trade that we will see in other video, and you have to click simply to this. Let's see it's becoming profit or loss. As you can see, we have to cut this trade. And as you can see, here is the buy trade, here is sell trade, and it's very easy to trade in MT5 Onda. I hope this mini tutorial will help you to start your journey. If it is help to you, comment down below. You have any queries or question, ask in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends or new traders. We will see other things or remaining things in next tutorial video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. It's Venom Traders.